Daniel Padilla.
Caring, maalaga.
Oh.
I'll hold the door. Please come in and just sit here for a while.
Ano yung relevance ng 8?
This is
Parang
my
lucky number lang.
way of telling
Parang inline
you
po.
I
Si di ba
need
8 din,
you
sir?
in my
Opo.
life.
Sa amin dalawa.
Tadhana rin? Pinagsasama kayo?
We just turn this into reality, 'cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe
Pag kay
you
DJ
could
naman po,
save me
parating,
from this
siya yung parang maalaga naman sa akin sa taping.
Paano ang alagang yan?
Yun pag kumakain or yung mga simple gestures lang na opening gentleman or para sa gentleman, very gentleman.
feeling you.
Ang tinanong po ako ni Tita Min, gusto mo ba talaga
They
anak ko?
will come, but I know that the sun will shine again. He's my friend, and he says that we belong together, and I'll sing a song.
Daniel,
to break
ikaw ba
the
nanliligaw ka na?
ice, just a smile from
Nanliligaw ka na na maayos?
Saan ako na sasagutin?
Being nice, girl, this is real tonight, 'cause I've been thinking about you.
Yung chocolates nga po. Chocolates from Dubai ata yun eh. Kasi meron ano nang sa Dubai.
Crazy world we live in, and I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. I know you want me. There's no other love that I'd rather have. No.
Tinanong ka, gusto mo ba talagang anak ko? Anong sinagot mo?
There ain't no one else.
Just tinanong niya po kung, yun nga po kung nililigawan ko na daw. Sabi ko, hindi po dito. Ano lang po, kaibigan lang po.
Pero nung tinanong ka kung gusto mo siya talaga, ano sabi mo?
Oo naman po.
Maybe you could save me from this crazy world we live
Nasa puso
in. And I
ni
know
Daniel
we
Padilla,
could
ikaw yan, hindi ikaw yan.
'cause you know
Pwede po ba i-confirm na lang sa kanya?
feeling you. I know you want me. I've been thinking about you lately, and maybe you could save me from this crazy world
Who is it? Si?
Si DJ po.
Si Daniel.
May ibang tawagan eh. Ganun talaga pag close.
Ay, si Daniel.
Pag kayong dalawa lang, Daniel rin ba yung tawag mo or iba na ang tawag?
Oo.
DJ lang.
Baby.
DJ lang.
want me to. I know you want me to. Oh, ba-ba-da, ba-ba-da.
Alam may chance ka kay Kathleen pag niligawan mo siya.
Kung may chance mo ba ako?
Oo.
Ay, hindi ko po alam.
O, tanongin mo si
May
Kathleen.
chance ba ako, Katrin?
Hold the door, please come in and just sit
Ako,
here
pinapatagal ko lang
for a
para
while.
makasama ko to eh.
This is my way of telling you I need you in my life.
Parang
It's so
necklace
cold
na
without your
accessories lang
touch.
talaga.
I've
Na may
been
sign kasi.
dreaming
May
way
peace sign. So
too
gusto ko yung
much.
peace sign.
Can we
Sabi niya, sige,
just
sige na lang.
turn
Binigay niya
this
sa akin.
into reality, 'cause I've been thinking about you.
May mga naririnig ako na sinasabi mong siya ang prinsesa ng iyong buhay.
Opo.
This crazy world we live in, and I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you.
Okay.
Ang tanong ay kung ikay real life princess. Who will be your prince? Isa dyan sa pangalan na yan. Joke lang ko ito ha. Ako alam mo. O basahin mo.
Walang magagalit, guys, ah.
He's my
Oh my
friend, and he says that we belong together, and I'll sing a song to break the ice. Just a smile from you would suffice. It's not